Hi, I'm Linda. Welcome to my new channel and my video on Discovery Cove. Stay tuned throughout the video for tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This is part of the reception area where you'll check in and get your credentials. Stop by this gift shop to get a prescription snorkel mask. They're free! Be sure to return them by the end of the day, or I bet you'll get a surprise on your credit card. When you check in, you'll get a souvenir, reusable goodie bag, which includes a Discovery Cove face covering along with hand sanitizer. Try saying that 10 times real fast. Towels and sunscreen are provided along with very nice hot showers. The provided sunscreen is animal friendly, but feel free to bring your own. This is the Flamingo Walk. It happens every day at 9:30 a.m., right in front of Dolphin Lagoon. This is the Otter Exhibit. It is located inside Freshwater Oasis. You can see them playing between the trees. You can upgrade your drink package for $40 per person. You must be 21 years of age to do so. David learned you cannot wear masks or face coverings in the waterways. We are in the Freshwater Oasis, and it is an island with Jeffrey's marmosets and also the otter enclosure. There are chairs in the waterway next to the snack bar closest to the explorer's aviary. You can bring a beverage, even an adult beverage, and have a seat. Or you can just continue to float around in the Freshwater Oasis. Meet the team. That's me, Linda. In the middle is David and Nicole. In Explorer's Aviary, there are 3 different rooms where you can meet and feed beautiful birds. As we have learned, you cannot wear a face covering in the waterways. You might want to bring a waterproof pouch in which to put your face mask while you're in the water. This way you can keep your face mask dry while you're in the water and wear it while you're on the walkways. That would have made me feel a lot safer. This is a white peacock. More than likely, it is not an albino. Windaway River flows through Explorer's Aviary, where there are many kinds of free-flying birds. Food and drink must be enjoyed before entering any animal locations. The beginning and end of Explorer's Aviary is marked with a waterfall. The birds will not fly through them. During COVID, you cannot enter or exit Windaway River through Explorer's Aviary, or vice versa. Discovery Cove is a certified autism center. This is a 3-banded armadillo. There are many animal encounters at Conservation Cabana. This is the cave in Windaway River. There are some nooks and crannies to explore.
Hi Nicole. Hi Lynda. We're having a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yes, in the water.
This Bermuda chub liked to rub up against our legs. It was a really odd sensation. The Grand Reef. Finally snorkeling with my prescription mask. It makes such a big difference to be able to see the fish. The prescription snorkel mask is one of my favorite tips. We have not yet convinced David to snorkel with us. That's really too bad because it's one of the highlights. This is a type of guitar ray. This is a spotted eagle ray. Breakfast is all you care to enjoy, served from 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Don't be shy. If you want a plate of bacon, you'll get a huge plate of bacon. Lunch. It also is all you care to enjoy, served 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Arrive early. The day is just too short to see and do everything offered. Menus can be found at discoverycove.com under Things to Do. Hi Nicole! The Grand Reef is quite chilly. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not bad once you get used to it. This is a diamond stingray. Most of Grand Reef is not this deep. If you are fearful, as I was in the beginning, you can stay in shallow water. Try to avoid kicking your feet in the Grand Reef. People are so focused on looking at fish, they could swim too close and you could actually hurt someone. The waterways, Grand Reef, and Explorers Aviary open at 9 a.m. Book early. Prices have been known to go up as reservations increase to keep the crowds down. Until further notice, you can rebook without penalty up to 48 hours before your reservation. Currently, you can cancel up to 30 days in advance of your reservation for a 100% refund. I'm sure the new rebook and cancellation policies are temporary. Please be sure to check discoverycove.com. The dolphin swim is not the only amazing activity. There is also Sea Venture, which is an underwater walking tour, shark swim, and ray feeding. There is an additional fee and reservations are required. We were really happy. The rain held off until the end of the day.
Wait.